Good morning again in the Alps. Oh, the weather today is it's perfect. I mean, it's perfect if you're just lazing around, I guess, but we're going to go and climb up a monster climb. It's been classed as one of the toughest climbs to race in the Tour de France. Yeah, so I reckon let's go and have a little look-see, shall we, at where we're riding today. It's in one of the top 50 climbs to ride in the Alps, so I will go and show you a little picture of the profile of it. But yeah, I love it. It's so much nicer when it's sunny, but I think I'm going to be regretting that on this climb. I'm going to be sweaty. But yeah, oh yeah, this is the chalet as well. It is so nice and homely. This be it. There's 1,000. It's a really good book actually. Yeah, it is about 11k I think, and about 1,000 meters. Is that right? Yeah, 11.6k, 1,000 meters.
Okay, so we've got half an hour roughly, gentle warm up today, Dave. Spin our legs out, Kevin's favourite, and then really long fast descent down to the valley. And we'll cross the river and we'll go along the other side of the valley. There's a couple of little lumps so it's flat for 10k. And then we'll refill our water at somewhere. Maybe have a coffee, depends. Pretty nice, it's a really beautiful village. And then we've got the 11k big climb at Jupla.
Harley Davidson meet up. Hey! So we've had a little stop before we go up the climb. So yeah, 11k climb. And I mean, they're all in the cafe having a coffee, but you can't take the Audax girl out with me, so I've got a Coke. And also, I'm very excited about this. I've had a bit already, so excuse that it's half eaten. Oh my god. Sorry. And a beautiful French baguette. It's definitely not a bagel by a bin. It's a baguette by a beautiful little square. Oh, look at this place. It actually reminds me of your Beauty and the Beast, when she's skipping through the thing and they get water from the fountain. It reminds me of that. So yeah, I'm going to get a bit of baguette and go down this climb. How is it? We decided to be civilised and not sit on the step. Oh yes, baguette and a Coke. I don't want to leave the square now. I just want to sit here all day.
I'm going to go for the direct route because it's the Tour de France route and it's the one that really counts. So it does go to 10% straight away. So it's 11 kilometres. And you've got a couple of kilometres that are steep and then it eases off a little bit to kind of 7-ish. So
which will feel like a rest after
which will feel amazing.
Yeah.
And then in the middle, the money kilometre is with the signs, it's between kilometres 6 to go and 5 to go. And there's a 14% ramp there.
I shouldn't have eaten that old baguette now. Oh, I'm just getting a bit of video. It's Edelweiss. I say Edelweiss. Edelweiss. Does it smell of?
Not a lot.
Rare. These motorbikes are ruining my Beauty and the Beast scene. And here's where she meets Prince Charming, but she won't discover that it's him till chapter 3. I really wanted to get a picture of me holding a book, and look what there is. There's an actual cabinet of books. I'll have to be Belle just for the day because it's my dream. It's my dream in life to be Belle. I just need some sheep now. Oh, I don't know what this is, but I'll get a picture of me sat there like Belle reading. weather has just got a lot cooler and I'm very grateful. It is a really, really nice climb. Any climb with a view, I'm good. Woohoo! Woo woo! That's the end just there. Woo!
You made it.
No, keep going, get your wheel over the line.
Yay! I'm going to get some oranges.
Yeah. Well done, buddy.
Awesome.
That's definitely worse than that, Matt.
I think, which one was that? Oh, I've not done that one, have I?
No.
No, I haven't.
You reckon it? Yeah, I would say it's worse than that.
Because you get no respite either.
No.
Nope.
Did you get sweat on?
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
Yeah. We all looked exactly the same as you when we crossed that
You
line.
can see me from a long way, all the flies that are holding.
So I just got up the Col de Jouplan and oh, that was, I like that. I'm a much better at a steadier, longer climb. Yesterday just felt really hard, maybe it's because I was sleepy, but today's was like, I mean, look at that. It was really nice all the way up, really steady. I think there's only like one little section was like 13%. I kept thinking, when's the steep bit, and it just didn't seem to arrive. But yeah, it was really, really good. Recommended if you come to the Alps. It is pretty, very, very pretty. Oh, I wish you could see this in real life. It is unbelievable. Ah. I like when you know you're up high when there's a ski lift at the top. That is, and then now we've got 10k descent. So even though I had that baguette earlier, oh I love this. I feel like I'm on an Audax or something. So I am at Carrefour, going into the supermarket. Probably people would be like, why? It's boring, it's a supermarket. I don't know what it is. I love going on holiday and going and talking to supermarkets. So exciting. So, suspense of what's going to be in here. Can you see me through it? It's dark, but that's how I'm getting on me. Oh shit, Ellen. Okay, it is a bit tight actually, I'm going to have to swing that round my neck. Thank you. The bag snap. So I've just got back from the shops and then we're going to head up to, there's a really nice lake apparently that you can swim in and have a little, oh no, it's alright. Have a little swim in, so we're going to go up there, ride up. It's about 3k from here, like uphill. But this is the first time, sorry my hair looks a mess again, I've not brought any swimming stuff. Because every time I bring it and I never use it, so I was like there's no point me taking it, I never bring it, I never use it. And then there's one time I need it, so I'm going to have to just go like sports bra and shorts. But hopefully it's nice and warm in the pool. I just want to go and just relax. I can't believe how lovely that is. It's alright, isn't it that? It's alright. Where's your hat then so the paddleboarders don't hit you?
That's the hat.
Orange.
No, I've got a red one.
Oh, it's
Oh,
it's not.
No, this
That's
is
not
quite
right.
good because usually they
I thought they were stretchy.
are, but this
Elastic.
was in the Intersports, and I thought, well, that's better because they
Yeah.
can clamp down on your head.
Does it match your budgie smugglers?
God, this bench is a bit bloody rickety. Just been laughing before some guy got out the water and just pulled his pants down, put his jeans on. Did he even put pants on? I mean, that's not very appropriate. Anyway, I decided to chat to you today because I wanted to talk a little bit about the old climbing and just about, so I was just thinking about like when I first started out climbing and stuff, and everyone is generally pretty slow when they first start, and I guess I don't really know what I'm trying to say. Just basically don't be hard on yourself, because we've been out today and one of the group was just like, oh, I'm really slow, blah blah blah, it takes me too long to get up there, and being really like down on themselves. I'm like, no, don't be down on yourself. Like, we're all at different stages of like cycling, and just because you're not as fast as someone else doesn't mean that you're not ever going to be that fast or that you're not trying. I think it's important to remember that sometimes, because it's very easy, and I do it definitely, but to compare with other people and make your efforts feel like not as good, and that's not what it's about, is it? We ride because we enjoy it, and we get to experience places like this, so don't be down on yourself and just enjoy it. Because I remember when literally I remember it's not even a really big hill near where I grew up, that felt like a monster, like an actual, like I was like, I don't even think I'll be able to get up it. And I remember being so proud about doing it. So don't ever stop patting yourself on the back and being like, do you know what, I did that today and I'm proud of that. Like today I feel really good that it was like a pretty tough climb and it felt alright, and it was like, that's doable, and that's just taken just time just to get used to climbing, and that type of climb just kind of suits me, like a long steady one rather than like a really short sharp steep one. So yeah, just my thoughts on that. This place is just lovely. So I think I'm probably going to leave the vlog there today, just because I'm going to go back, get some food and then just edit the video. So yeah, nothing more to note really. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we've got another mega climb tomorrow, longer than today's climb, so yeah, I will be filming that of course, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Let's go. Oh. This bench is so, look how rickety this bench is. I thought I was going to smash it.